Good morning, all. I am Dr. Amul Late, working as an assistant professor, Department of Environmental Science, Shivneri Mahavidyalaya, Shivnantpa. Today, I am going to highlight the syllabus of BSc third year Environmental Science of semester 5th. This syllabus has been introduced from the June 2018. So, this is the first page of BSc third year Environmental Science syllabus of Swami Ramanand Tirth, Marathwada University, Nanded. Then, this is the overall structure of BSc third year Environmental Science syllabus. From this BSc third year syllabus, in this particular lecture, we are going to highlight the syllabus of only semester 5th, which is a ongoing or the current semester of this academic year. So if you see in the semester 5th, there are 3 theory papers, out of which one theory paper is of elective type, and there are 2 theory papers which are, again, we call them as a compulsory paper, and there is one another paper, that is the skill enhancement course paper number 3rd, because in earlier year or in BSc second year we have already studied the paper number 1st and 2nd of skill enhancement course, so there is the paper number 3rd. So these are the course number, then this is the name of the course or the name of the paper, then instructions hours per week, that means the periods or the lectures are again allotted for this particular paper, then total periods for the complete or the completion of the syllabus of this paper. There is an internal evaluation in the form of test, seminar, tutorials, assignments, or there is again your internal evaluation in the form of your continuous assessment or the regular attendance, etc. Then there is the mark of semester examination, that is the 40 marks, and the total marks, that is 50, which is again having a credit. One paper is of 2 credits. Then if you see the paper number your 12th, that is the water pollution and wastewater analysis, which is having 3 periods per week. 45 lectures are again required to complete the syllabus of this paper. 10 marks for the internal evaluation, 40 marks for the external or the end semester examination. Total marks are 50 and the credits are 2. The same way, your paper number 13, which is called as an elective paper, that is the environmental instrumentation paper first, which is again having a same instruction hours or the periods, and again the marks for the internal and the semester examination, and the total marks and the credits are also same as mentioned in the earlier paper. Then there is another paper, that is the environmental education and biodiversity. So out of from these two, that is the environmental instrumentation or environmental education, there is only one paper is again opted by the students for their semester 5th examination. Again, there are 3 periods are allotted for this environmental education paper, 45 lectures for the completion of syllabus, 10 marks for the internal examination, 40 marks for the end semester examination, and the total paper weightage is having a 50 marks of, which is of 2 credits. Again, the important aspect of the important paper of this semester 5th is your skill enhancement course paper number 3rd, that is the soil conservation practices. This soil conservation practices paper is again having a 2 periods per week, that is the total 30 periods are again allotted or required for the completion of this syllabus, and the marks for this paper is 50 marks. Out of these 50 marks, the 25 marks are again for the continuous assessment and 25 marks for the external, or we call it as a end semester examination marks, and paper is of 50 marks, and which is having a 2 grades again. So if you go to the detailed syllabus of this paper number 12, entitled your water pollution and wastewater analysis, then this paper is again having 3 units. The unit first, that is the introduction to this subject or this paper, which is having a weightage of 7 lectures, that is the definition of water pollution, sources, its point source or non-point source, then its type are again covered in this unit first. Your unit second is having a title, that is quality of sewage. This quality of sewage unit number second is having near about 12 lectures are again allotted for this paper, that is. And again this paper is having some points like quality of sewage, physical properties, your chemical characteristics of the biological characteristics of the sewage. Then unit third, that is analysis of sewage and natural methods of sewage disposal. This paper is having near about 20 periods, or the 20 lectures are again allotted for this unit third, which is having some physical test, some bacteriological test, some chemical parameters of chemical tests are again covered in this uh, unit third. Then disposal method, self purification method, disposal by land treatment method, fertilizer, or some flooding methods or the furrow methods. These methods or the zigzag methods are again covered in this topic. And in this paper, the university has also given the list of books which are again useful for you to take out the study material or the reference from this particular enlisted books in your syllabus. Then there is another paper that is called as Discipline Elective Course of Environmental Science. That is the elective first paper, that is the Environmental Instrumentation. In the jurisdiction of this Swami Ramanand Marathoda University, in some colleges, this paper is again taught. That is the environmental instrumentation paper first. That is unit introduction, which is having a 5 periods. Unit second, which is having a 10 periods, and near about 10 plus 8 plus 7. It means it again required about 25 lectures are allotted for this unit second, and your unit third, that is the chromatography, which is of 15 periods are again allotted for this unit third, that is the chromatography unit. And then the reference books are also enlisted in this paper. Then there is another elective paper or paper elective second, that is the environmental education and biodiversity. In most of the colleges which is having a department of environmental science, these colleges are again also having a paper, or they are going to taught the paper environmental education and biodiversity as a discipline elective paper itself. In this paper, unit first, which is having a weightage of 20 lectures, that is the environmental education. In this environmental education, the terms like environment, ecology, environmental science, then environmental education or the concept of environmental education, their goals, their objectives are again also highlighted in this topic. Then unit second is the biodiversity, that is the introduction to the ecosystem, diversity, biogeochemical cycles, megadiversity nation, hotspots of biodiversity. Likewise, the 10 lectures are allotted for this unit. The third unit is of natural resources, which is again having three important topics like the energy resources, forest resources, and wildlife resources, which is having a 15 periods or lectures are again allotted for this paper. These are some books which are which are useful to take out the study material as per the student point of view. Then there is another paper that is the skill enhancement course. The title of this paper is the soil conservation practices, which is of having 30 lectures weightage. It also consists the objectives syllabus to be covered. The main topics are the biological methods, agronomy, agronostic methods, mechanical methods, the other methods. Then again also having some list of books for your reference work. Like
So this is all about the BSc third year semester 5th environmental science syllabus. In our upcoming lectures, we are going to study all these papers and their contents in a very precise way or in a very brief manner. With these few words, I would like to wish you all the students all the best for your academic year. Thank you.